Open your computer settings app. In settings, select network and internet. Select VPN. Click on Add VPN. VPN provider, select Windows built-in. Connection name, you can write anything. I'm typing here John VPN, and server name or address. Open your browser and just come to this website vpngate.net. Once you're in this website, if you scroll down, here you will get lots of public VPN relay servers. So just go ahead and find out good quality VPN. So let's use this one for example. So just copy this server from here, then go back to VPN settings, enter here the server name that we just copied. VPN type, here we have to select this secure socket tunneling protocol SSTP. Type of sign-in info, here select username and password. Username type VPN, also the password is VPN, as you can see. Now just click on save, and here we can see the VPN successfully added. Before connecting the VPN, first of all I'm going to show you my current IP address. So I'm going back to my browser and typing my IP address, and let's open this website. And here, as you can see, my current IP address is this one. Now I'm going back to my settings, and now on, whenever you want to connect the VPN, just come to the settings and connect the VPN. Once the VPN connected, I'm just going to the site again and reloading this site. As you can see, my IP address successfully changed with the VPN.